Hey ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Look, if you listen to the podcast, you know I've been having some problems with Sentry mode, and a couple of people have said it could be because it's a bit finicky, and maybe you should try the Samsung T5 SSD drive, and maybe that will stop what I'm having, which is I think Sentry mode is on all the time kind of thing, draining the battery. I know it sounds weird, but go listen to the podcast if you want to hear more. So I thought, since I'm going to do that, might as well make a little video of how to do it, because I just got from Amazon that Samsung T5 little disc, and let's go through how to put that in and make it your Sentry mode hard drive thing. Let's go.
So this is the disc. Let's pull it out here, and this is really hard to do with one hand. Oh look, it's cute. It's little. It's small even. So there it is. That's actually, I was thinking it was going to be much bigger. That's actually kind of good looking. Hey, good looking. So there. Maybe a little bit of whiskey later too if you want. It's delicious. And I just need. It's USB 3 to a sort of a standard USB connector, so that's the one. I'm going to plug this into my computer because it's got to be FAT32 and you've got to put Tesla as a folder, but I'll show you that.
So it's all plugged in and automatically it loads over here, Samsung T5. This is all on a Mac. So on a Mac, the next thing you're going to do is open up this thing called Disk Utility. I'm going to give this a new name and I'm going to call it Tesla Model 3. Well, it won't let me do that. I'm just going to put Model 3. Model 3, and this is exFAT is what it comes with, but it's got to be MF-DOS, FAT32 kind of thing. So we're going to do that, and then you hit erase, and it's going to erase this puppy, and it's going to change the file format, and I'm not going to use it as backup for my Mac. So that's fine. Here it is. Whoop, you can see it here. Now it's a Tesla Model 3. Now what you're going to do is put a new folder in there called Tesla Cam with a capital T and a capital C. And this is where the Tesla will then look to put Sentry mode and the sort of dash cam stuff. It'll drop automatically into there as long as you name it correctly. So let's go to the car and put it in. So then you go to your very dirty Model 3 and you open up the door and you go inside. Ooh! And here is where
and the weather is some of the most extreme.
Let's just turn that down. We're having California fires here. The new norm. And then we plug in, where the hell is it? It's hard to see. We plug it into one of these ones, you know, that's in the front of the car. So, there you go. So then I'm just going to tuck that puppy underneath there. And I'm going to close the lid. Got one of these nice little trays in here. Hey, oh look, it's working. And now I'm going to press on it, if I can get this thing right. You press here. And it's recording. So it all seems to be working well.